Hello, good morning. My name is Jen Stevenson Montenegro and my friend Matthew Garcia. The machine she chose was a bench drill.
1 second is the drill does not work, and solution is make sure the switch is on and the cord is plugged into a working outlet.
Number 2, the beep slides or comes out of the shock. Solution: check that the bead is securely seated in the shock and tighten the shock with the shock key supplied with the drill.
3 problem is the drill is too noise or vibration too much, and solution is make sure the drill is securely at the top or wall surface. If the drill is not level, your wire net at the adjust and leveling secures as the base of the drill.
Number 4, the drill is the overheating. Solution: if the drill is overheating, allow it to cool down for heat a minus before using the again. You can also slow down the drill if you are using a larger bit of strong material. Make sure the drill is clean and free of the dust and metal shavings.
And 5 problem the drill has light plower, and solution is they need to replace and defuse on the drill.
Number 6, the shock does not turn smoothly. Solution: if the shock does not turn smoothly, try cleaning the shock, use and applying a small amount of lubricant to the inside of the shock.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Teacher.